Okay, John, so here's what we got. The sun's coming out, so it's starting to get warm. But look at all the wear. Let me move this. Where's my finger? Yeah. So look at all the wear right there. This is totally getting wore off from the tight clearance I have with, there we go, with that latch mechanism hitting it. But I will try to move that. But as you can see, these are totally rubbing. You can hear each one. You can see it flex. See how much it's snagging. Again, I guess if I ground every one of those down, I gotta say, I don't know that I want to invest that kind of time, but I guess if I have to, if you guys can't do anything to save me from that. Here's the other side, same deal. This one's even snagging more, see? Yeah, so that's what I got, John.